PHE Minister Marcuise on Thursday informed that the department is targeting 5 lakh functional household tap connections before Christmas under Jal Jeevan mission. He shared that currently 4 lakh 4,000 households have already been connected with functional household tap connections. He said that the target set by the Government of India is to complete physical work of JJM by January 26, 2024.
So I did the review meeting, and then I got an assurance from the engineers from all the divisions that we should be touching, before Christmas, we should be touching almost 5 lakhs. You will never imagine that they have been, while we are sleeping, they could not sleep. They've been working at night also, till night also. So they're the one who deserve, congratulations. I've thanked them, I've congratulated them, and I even requested them that this is not the end. We have to reach the target that we have been assigned to give.
The University School of Law